So in this video, we're gonna be making paletas. What's a paleta? Well, that's pretty hard to explain. They're popsicles. They're popsicles, people. We're making popsicles. Okay, so this one's gonna be really straightforward. All we're doing is we're taking the fruit, we're pureeing it, we're freezing it. Sounds simple, right? That's it. Now I'm gonna be utilizing a really familiar flavor for myself here. This is our new blend, Mango Tango. Mango Tango? Sorry, I'm used to pronouncing mango, whatever. So it's sort of a tangy, spicy, sweet situation going on. It's called Chamoy. It's, hold on one second. This is chamoy. This is the chamoy that I'm used to growing up. It's usually like this sweet, tangy sauce that you put on fruit. Delicious. Check that out. This is what this blend is inspired by pretty much. It has some dehydrated mango in there, so it has that really nice tartness. All right, y'all, here's the breakdown. First, get some mustard, get some ketchup. Just kidding, this is our purees. So first, start off with your watermelon into the blender. We're gonna do 10 ounces of that. Then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the Mango Tango in that. Toss in the sugar, then the juice of half a lime. Puree that really well. Put that into a separate container just like this. And then repeat the process with the mango, except we're not gonna add the chamoy to the mango. Mango in the blender, sugar, juice of half a lime, blend till smooth just like this. All right, now for the molds. I got this one on Amazon. I could put the link down below if you'd like. You can check it out. But you can also find these molds pretty much anywhere. These are just some fancier ones that I got because I thought they were really cool. So, we're gonna start off by pouring in. We're gonna do this in 3 parts, okay? We're gonna pour in about 2 tablespoons of the mango into each one first, and then repeat that 2 tablespoons with the watermelon, and then repeat that with the mango, 2 tablespoons on top of that. And then we'll top it off with our popsicle sticks and freeze that. Okay, now once you've got them all in there ready to go, what I like to do before I put the sticks in is I'll take a little stick or knife or whatever and sort of swirl it around so you get some cool little swirling effect. I don't know if it'll work, it might. It'll look cool. So anyways, we're just gonna pop these in the freezer for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. So just throw them in there, be patient. Probably just leave them overnight. And then we'll check them after that. All right, here we go. It's 9:37 p.m. thanks to movie magic, and these are pretty much good to go. So let's pull them out. Mango, watermelon, chamoy. Okay, so I'm really stoked with the way these turned out. I'm gonna have to say though, let them freeze overnight, because I can tell these are pretty soft still, but they're still good, they're set. But I think it's just best to go with leaving them in the freezer overnight. Since this is just pretty much straight up pureed fruit, this is just gonna have such a nice texture. These are gonna be nice. Go ahead and serve them immediately, or you can go ahead and bag them up. I have these little baggies, I'm gonna seal them in that, stick them in the freezer for whenever I need them. Let's go ahead and try it out, huh? All right. Okay. Oh, that's so good. Reminds me of back home. Wow. Me and my friends, whenever we'd get off the school bus in like middle school, we'd go to this woman's house and she'd sell mango nadas for like 50 cents. Mango nadas are just frozen mango puree with the chamoy. She'd sell them for 50 cents and it would just be in a little Dixie cup with a popsicle stick. They were so good. This reminds me of that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell if you're new here. Don't forget to tag me in Spiceology and all the things you make, especially these paletas. They're super bomb. Try them out. Tag us in your stories. We'll repost it. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.